Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Billare. I'm delighted to tell you that this summer I'm doing a project under Beagleboard organization for Google Summer of Code. My project name is BeagleWire Software, in which I'm developing software for BeagleWire Key. My mentors are Michael Bailey and Stephen Arnold. I'm a third year electronics undergraduate student at Vijaytia, India. I do have experience with FPGAs like Altera Cyclone 2, Speed Tank Timer, and Lattice Ice 40. I also done many projects with microcontrollers of Espressif and Arduino. Similarly, I had worked with Intel, Xilinx, and open source FPGA tools since before. I do have great interest in fields like FPGA, ASIC, digital VLSI, and electronics. You can contact me on the given mail, and my GitHub and LinkedIn profiles are given in the description. Before going to the details of my BeagleWire software project, let me give you a short introduction of BeagleWire Key. First of all, BeagleWire is a kit for BeagleBone Black and Wireless. BeagleWire is completely open source FPGA dashboard. Not only hardware, but software toolsets are also open source. The BeagleWire is a BeagleBone compatible kit based on the latest ICE40HX FPGA chip. These are the top and bottom views of BeagleWire. As you can see, it has P modes, GRU connectors, HDRAM, and in the center, lattice ICE40 chip. Now let's quickly oversee the features of BeagleWire. It has, as I said earlier, it has lattice ICE40 FPGA. The connection between BeagleWire and BeagleBone Black is done via GPMC and SPI protocol. It is 4-layer PCB board to support maximum performance for high bandwidth application. The board is optimized for BeagleBone Black, wireless, and industrial 14 version. As we are using lattice FPGA, the power consumption is also very less. My GSOC project is continuation of project done by Patrick under guidance of Michael in Google Summer of Code 2017. In 2017, Patrick developed software for BeagleWire Key. My project aims to improve that software support for BeagleWire Key. Now let's look into the details of my project. Improvements in BeagleWire software. This is the BeagleWire software repo. There are some issues open on this repo. The known primary issue of BeagleWire software is the HDRAM IP. As you can see, there are a couple of issues related to HDRAM are open on this repo. So in this project, I am proposing to use LightDRAM code instead of current HDRAM IP used in the BeagleWire software. There are multiple advantages of LightDRAM core. The core produced by LightDRAM is fully pipelined. It has high performance. It is also configurable commands based on bank machine. It has auto p-charge and periodic refresh. LightDRAM is FPGA proven core. That means it is already tested on FPGA with commercial and open source design using LightDRAM in their application. The second aim of my project is to testing and improvements of subsystems like I2C, SPI, PWM, and UART. As I told earlier, BeagleWire comes with plenty of peripherals. It has 4 GRU connectors. It has 4 P modes onto which any digital protocol can be implemented. BeagleWire contains 2 I2C connectors. My plan is to test current Verilog I2C IP with some I2C based sensor, and also the existing code of PUART will be tested in hardware. I will be also testing current PWM IP in hardware. I am also writing new servo wrapper code for the purpose of testing PWM driver. The third aim of my project is PMOD supports of BeagleWire and to increase the documentation. So in this summer, more PMODs will be interfaced with the BeagleWire, and I will be increasing the documentation and also adding proper starting guide for the BeagleWire. There are current issues open on the BeagleWire repository. These will be solved during this project. In this summer, I'm interfacing 2 P modes with BeagleWire. VGA P mode for displaying on monitor and encoder P mode to take input from the user. In PCB design of the BeagleWire, the P mode breakout is reversed. So I'm planning to use breakout board as shown in the image to interface P modes and BeagleWire FPGA. It basically reverses the P mode pinout. The timeline. So the timeline consists of 3 periods: community bonding, first evaluation, and the final evaluation. Community bonding consists of setting the BeagleBone back and BeagleWire setup. And to study about the protocols and be familiar with the current BeagleWire setup, the first evaluation consists of demonstrating the use of HDRAM on BeagleWire and the use of SPI and UART protocols. After the review from the mentor, finalizing and documenting everything done until first evaluation. The final evaluation consists of demonstrating the use of the protocols like PWM and I2C, and interfacing PMODs with BeagleWire, and solving all the issues related to the BeagleWire repo. And finally, the demo of the project. Now let's see the benefits of BeagleWire software project. This is the code from GSOC Tool 2017 project. The completed project will provide Beagleboard community with easy to implement and powerful tools for realization of project based on the programmable logic device, which will surely increase the number of applications based on it. The developed software will be easy and at the same time efficient tool for communication with the FPGA. At this point, FPGA will be able to meet the requirements of even more advanced applications. The BeagleWire creates a powerful and versatile digital kit for users to create their imaginative digital designs. BeagleWire was designed for the following use cases. It includes robotic and automation, logic device prototyping, data acquisition, mobile application, and education related to FPGA and ASIC. So resulting BeagleWire software project can be used as a template to do various projects in this domain. That's it from my side. Thank you, Beagleboard, and all the mentors for providing me this opportunity to do this project. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me on the given details in the description. Thank you, everyone.